Hey guys, it's Carter. Now in today's video, we are looking at Grindr stock. Now they just had their recent SPAC, giving it a $2.1 billion evaluation, causing this stock to actually skyrocket up. We are going to be talking about should you buy this company and answering that main question of what's going on with it. What is it? So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of it, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. So let's kind of jump into it. Now, for those of you that don't know what Grindr is a dating site that really supports the LGBTQ plus community. And what we've seen over the past couple of years in that community is a huge increase in people, which is good. Now, what this means for Grindr, more active monthly users. So they have about 11 million active monthly users, which last year they brought in about $146 million in revenue, which is awesome. Not to mention they're profitable. The company last year brought in about 5.1 million in total profit. So yeah, they still need to work on that profit margin, but it's nice to see a company actually wanting to become profitable. And in 2020, they lost about 13.1 million. So it's nice to see that they're actually working on that profit margin, which is awesome. Okay, so like I mentioned, they brought in about $146 million, and they do have a subscription model where users can pay to get different perks, and that accounts for about 6% of the revenue. Comparing that though to other dating sites like Bumble, 9% of all Bumble's revenue is through a subscription model. Tinder's at about 18%. So yes, they still need to work on some stuff. Okay. So what do I think's going on with this company? Do I think it's going to squeeze up? Do I think it's going to be a stock that's going to be the best stock of all time? It's so hard to judge because what we've seen over the past couple of years is a huge increase in dating sites, right? There is so many out there, and anytime you have a lot of competition, just like when Robinhood's a fantastic broker, but what we've seen from that stock is it's a little different with the fundamentals, but what we've seen is anytime there's a huge number of competition for investors, it makes it very, very difficult to pick and choose the correct stock. But as a consumer, that is awesome because everybody's competing with each other to make the best products. Okay. So answering that question of should you buy it? For me, I definitely think that Grindr is the leader of the LGBTQ. I can never say them all, so don't get offended. But what we've seen is they're a huge supporter of that. They're pretty much the leader of that community, and I think they have a huge competitive advantage, becoming already profitable and having the competitive advantage. They have 11 million active users, increasing revenues year after year. Now, the only thing they need to work on is that profit margin. That profit margin will make a huge difference in this company becoming the company that it could easily become, a massive company. But on the flip side, anytime we have a lot of competition, new companies kind of come up and they start taking a little bit of market share from other companies, right? And it will start making this stock start selling off. So for me, I think it does carry potential. If I think a good strategy that I would probably use for this stock would be dollar cost averaging, invest on a weekly basis, keep it under 1% of your portfolio size using like M1 Finance or a broker like that. But overall, there is so much positives about this stock that it's worth definitely taking a picture at and looking at. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a short little video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, and we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And that's kind of what you must know about this company. So take care, everyone.